Okay, once you have your structure at this point, then we're going to basically wrap our straws around these members to give you a three-dimensional look to your structure. First thing I want to do is I want to kind of turn these planes off because I don't want to look at these planes and kind of confuse me. So up in your heads up menu up here, you click where it says hide show items, and then you turn your planes off, so you click here. Okay. So now from this point, since this is a structure and SOLIDWORKS kind of thinks this is a structure that's going to be welded together, that's called a weldment. You notice I didn't finish this one side, but that's fine. You guys, you'll see the understanding of this when we do this. Okay, now we go up here, we right click, and then we turn weldments on. So click on weldments. Then we go here to a structural member, and then you're going to select ANSI inch, pipe, and then there should be a 0.25 diameter straw in your top down. This is going to depict the outer diameter and inner diameter of a regular drinking straw. So then you come over here to your members and you start clicking your members. You're going to start with the base first and just wrap that around. Alright, don't worry about the joint so much. It'll do a minor joint in there. Then you'll go to new group and pick on your columns. And then new group, and then I would then do the rest of your bases here, or your levels, your platforms. Because if you click on a new one, you notice it won't do it. So then do a new group again. New group. Alright, and then I'm going to do a new group and do my cross members. And again, you notice that I did not do my the other side there. I didn't finish that one up, but you will finish this one up over here. Then a new group again. It'll be the cross members are going on the other side of my straw tower, and then you accept that. And basically, you get all these straws that are locked in there, and your joint should look pretty decent. You know, it kind of figures out, all right, how are we going to miter all that stuff together? All right, from now you're basically done designing. Now we go into the, you're going to create from the model, you're going to create the drawings. Go up to File, Make Drawing from Part. Since this is not going to be actually produced, we'll just put it on a C landscape for now, but we're going to print it out in A size, so hit OK. And then drop and drag your front view in there, and then let it generate the right side view, and then let it generate the top view, and then the isometric. Okay, so we got three primary views: the front, top, and then right side. So I'm going to click on this view. I'm going to want a little bit different scale. I'm going to want like a 1 to 2. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Alright, so that view, I'm going to shade that view. Give a little bit more space between the views, and then all I want you to do is add a couple dimensions. So you're going to add dimension from here to here for the overall height. Alright, make sure you're in fractional units. And let's go from, let's kind of get the whole width of the part. Now you notice that I have 5.43 there. I want you to change those units. So we're going to go into our option menu, dot props, go down 2 units, and under fractions, put the 16th, and then round to nearest fraction. Hit OK. And then you can add an angular dimension in here. To this base. That really should be, let's just leave it at that angle, alright. And oops, that's not what I wanted. I don't care the length of that member right now. So dimension from there to there. All right. Maybe add one more dimension. Let's just add the overall, this one down here. Since that was an equilateral triangle, it should be roughly the same, but it kind of depends on how these corners were mitered out. Okay, so I got 3 dimensions on there. You can, again, right-click. Oops. Right-click. When you get that little sheet icon come up, then you can right-click, edit sheet format. Go out, fill out the drawing and the date. Then right-click again, edit sheet, and then your view should go back. Then you just send this to a size printer.